Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another video in my Everyday May series. I've been enjoying sharing videos every day in May and I hope you've enjoyed watching them too. For today I have high protein travel snacks to share with you. I recently returned from a week in London and we took travel snacks for our journey there. For while we were there we were having all kinds of high protein travel snacks. I've got myself, my husband and our two teenage kids who are 13 and 15, and we try and have protein in our snacks, and we went to supermarkets to grab snacks to try and keep healthy and budget friendly too, and I will show them to you in a second. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has these recipes and more, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know other content you'd like me to share in May. So let me chat you through my high protein snack ideas. So I'm going to start over here with my eggs. I didn't just take eggs with. I sometimes will make hard-boiled eggs depending on the length of the journey, and also don't want other passengers around us smelling hard-boiled eggs. So if we're just going on a road trip, I might hard-boiled eggs as a first snack to have. I found in England really easily available at supermarkets, a little pair of hard-boiled eggs, and we often got those from supermarkets to be able to have as a high protein snack. My kids love hard-boiled eggs, so it's a brilliant high protein snack option. I've got yogurt over here. This is my favorite yogurt that I have at home, but while we were away I regularly we picked either a 4-pack like this and we each had a yogurt to have as a healthy snack that's high in protein, or we each picked our own one. We were on holiday so we got some indulgent options there as well, but yogurt makes a brilliant snack either to keep in the fridge or just get from the supermarket and have straight away. And of course cheese. These have 16 slices in here. We found quite a few packs that are already sliced like that. We didn't have a kitchen in the hotel we were staying in, so we needed to be able to eat everything straight away, and this is already sliced. So we often found packs with 10 or so slices. Each had a couple of slices, so that worked out really well as a nice high protein option. But cheese is great. You could make a little snack box with a few of these options, but we absolutely love cheese as a snack. Also peanut butter. I made us some peanut butter sandwiches, or the kids have peanut butter and cheese sandwiches for our travel day. We didn't know what kind of food we'd find en route, and they love peanut butter. Just obviously be aware if you're going to be around other people about nut allergies, but we were kind of keeping away from other people where we were on our journey because we went over by ferry, so we really were able to keep our distance from other people. We had a cabin and everything, so we made some peanut butter sandwiches, peanut butter and cheese sandwiches, more cheese, so they were nice high protein. Nuts and seeds are always brilliant. I kept a whole haul of nuts and seeds on us and we just snacked on them by the handful. You could make a trail mix if you want to, your choice of nuts and seeds. I've just got cashews and this 4-seed mix I picked up from Aldi, but it's a brilliant snack. The kids always absolutely adore. And finally, protein bars. I prefer to make things myself, but we did have a couple of packs of these in our hand luggage as well, so that we had an option that was a little healthier, 10 grams of protein. My kids' husband loved these. There are lots of option for protein bars as well. You can find at supermarkets nowadays that are some good options. But that is the video for today with my high protein travel snacks. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with these high protein travel snack ideas and more. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.